Alrighty, YouTube, we should be live here. Hope you guys are having a blessed morning. Welcome to the cryptocurrency markets. The market cap of February 24th, 2019. The total market of the caps, no cap, is at $131 billion. The BTC dominance is 51.8%, looking strong on the BTC dominance. Now let's check out your top 5 gainers. Top 5 gainers for this morning, 20% increase. Shout out to LYBB coin. Theta is up 17%. Let me see anything else that I'm aware of. Binance coin is up 6%, currently at $10. It's pretty good. Your biggest losers for right now, Safe coin. The Safe coin is 47%. Really going down right now. See, basic attention coin. These are some coins that I haven't heard of. Bitcoin SV is at down currently almost 3.5%, currently at $70. Not bad. Dash is down, not too much though. Let's go back to the price. I want to know who has the highest price of all the coins. Of course, Bitcoin number 1, but you got Maker sitting at number 16, is at almost $667, currently down almost 1%. Mixin 150, currently up 7%. Ethereum currently at 141, almost a 3% increase. So yeah, I like seeing which coins are worth the most, because you see how Maker is currently the second most highest coin, but it's not at number 2. Ethereum is number 2. Ethereum is always going to be number 2, but because it doesn't really, the 1, 2, 3 spot, that doesn't determine the price, because just because the price is higher, that doesn't mean a coin should be higher. You know, there's things that come into play, like the market cap of each coin. See, the market cap isn't even at $1 billion or $1 million on Maker, but you know, their prices are currently the second highest above Bitcoin. So you guys can see, you know, the correlation between the price and the market cap. So what really matters is the market cap. You know, how much market share they have to offer, and things like that. So let's go into a trading view. I want to dive into Bitcoin, because you see on the 24th, between the 24th and the 23rd, that's when we had our little jump here, and you see how quickly that jump started. You know, because I'm really starting to feel like these, because the Ripple Foundation controls a lot of the cryptocurrency market, and a lot of these big foundations, they like run together. So like they can easily just buy and sell their stock for a quick profit, because they have the power to do that. They are a big foundation that controls a large share of the market cap, so they have the ability to alter the market cap to however they want. Let's say if they wanted to, Ripple wanted to, you know, get a quick profit, they can sell something here and there. And the same for a lot of these other companies. Crypto miners have made over wow, that's a lot right here. Cryptocurrency miners have made over 330 million mining empty blocks. Empty blocks. That's pretty sick. Hopefully TradingView has Maker in here, and they do. They have Maker. I'm going to add that to my list here. I'm also going to add XMR. I don't feel like really signing in right now. I'm going to look at XMR, Monero, because I haven't really seen the prices of Monero as of late. So I'm going to go to the coin market cap, XMR. XMR, baby. and Monero's almost at $50 even. Currently up 1.1%. Not bad, not bad. I like keep my eye out on Monero. But yeah, after after our little rise from the 24th or 23rd, you see as the 24th comes, we start to go a little bit more like getting back on there a little closer, and we take a huge dip right back to 370, almost 308, 3,800, excuse me. And then ever since then, we just been thin above float, except for the 25th here. We do go up slightly, go up to about 3,860, and then we, just maintaining that right now. Yeah, we're just maintaining that right now, just making sure this live stream is going well. And I also heard that local Bitcoins are tracking now. I'm pretty sure there was always, tracking, here and there. But yeah, like I guess like a new bill was passed or whatever the case may be, where they have to, track each and every transaction or something like that. I just know that they're going to be doing some tracking analysis on each transaction. Not on each transaction, but you get the gist of it, We all know cryptocurrency. We all know Bitcoin is not 100% anonymous. So just keep that in mind. And every day we move into the new feature, Bitcoin begins to get more and more not anonymous, more and more exposed, more and more mainstream, more and more trying to counter Bitcoin. So hopefully Bitcoin can weather the storm here. All these people want to get all technical with it now, and this and that, and government officials are getting involved, and these same people getting involved and don't really know what's going on. They don't really understand it, so they're just trying to they see something powerful like this to where you know even the minorities or anybody else can take the power out of corporate hands. So corporate wants to do everything they can to try to maintain order, but the thing about Bitcoin is that anybody can get involved. Anybody can start, can be their own bank. So you can still bypass the banks. But yeah, just keep a close eye on it. I'm not really the one to say, or it's about to go up and it's about to go up soon. We just gonna have to wait and see, because because if you let it, like Bitcoin will rock you to sleep. Like it'll rock you to sleep, man. I'm telling you, like. So that's why you can't get too overwhelmed. You have to maintain a balance, because this thing will rock you to sleep if you let it. Because I've seen it for myself, and then you wake up one morning and it's at 15,000 to almost 20,000, and you're just like, damn, you missed out. So you don't want to be the one that's missing out. You don't want to be the one that's, you know, you don't want to be the one that's on the wave but still sleep on the wave. You want to be capitalizing on being here early. You want to capitalize on being here early. So make sure you guys, do whatever you got to do to make sure you're prospering in some type of way, because definitely the corporate is definitely trying to take away the freedom that we have of all the, you know, they're trying to take away the power of Bitcoin. But as you can see, it starts to go down for me, it doesn't really matter. If it goes down for me, that's great. In my opinion, if it goes down, that means this is perfect time to be buying right now. I would buy right now. Wow, I don't see it. I really don't see it being down for much longer. You know, I really don't see it. And I'm really still trying to understand the hype around XRP because it really hasn't. I know we are very early in the cryptocurrency stage, but XRP has just been overrated, just over fucking rated, guys. It's just overrated because you see the price. I mean, the market cap is large, but like still, like what makes this coin more valuable than any other coin? Just because it has a large market cap, you know, like it's not even over a, it's barely even over a penny. It's barely even worth a nickel. So why would I buy it? You know, the only reason why I would buy it is for extreme long-term storage. Extreme long-term storage. So if I were to buy it, I wouldn't. I probably would just sit on it for about a good 20 years or so because I don't really know because like XRP Ripple they haven't shown me anything as of late. Hasn't even went over $1. I've been watching it for about 2 years, almost 3.5 years now. So the only thing that's really keeping this on the third column is that it's such a large market cap, but the price is like crazy low. So how valuable how valuable is this coin? Only time will tell. And as Bitcoin still starts to go down just a tad bit,